words and their sounds. We do need to be aware of some characteristics of words to be able to clearly pronounce them so that people understand what we want to say. It may sound totally obvious, but it is necessary and important to say that words are made of sounds and that those sounds are represented by symbols called letters. Words may include two types of sounds: vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, E, etc., and consonant sounds, T, S, K, P, etc. Words may have one, two, three, or even more sounds. E.g., the word or letter A in English has or represents at least two sounds, A and A. The word pen has or represents three sounds, P, E, N. Not every letter represents a sound in a word. E.g., in the word have, the letter L does not represent any sound. In the word hour, the letter H does not represent any sound either. Some sounds that are considered long in English are the combination of two sounds. E.g., in the word boat, the letters O, A represent two separate vowel sounds that are like in Spanish, O, U. In the word cute, the letter U represents two more vowel sounds, E, U. These sounds are considered long sounds, probably because they are two and are together, U. Other sounds are shared in both languages, English and Spanish. E.g., the word get in English has three different letters that represent three different sounds that exist in Spanish too. G, E, T. The word put has three different letters that represent three different sounds that also exist in Spanish. P, U, T. Some other sounds do not exist in Spanish, but they do in English. E.g., the word think in English has four sounds, but two of them do not exist in Spanish, F and E. Other sounds do not exist in English, but they do in Spanish. E.g., the word niño has a letter that represents a sound which does not exist in English. Yeah. If we really want to improve our pronunciation, we have to be fully aware of the sounds that make up a word and every sound we generate every time we speak. Let's continue improving our pronunciation by slowly and clearly repeating and emphasizing the sounds of some other words. Thin, big, book, choose, dear, plate, pen, sister, fun, floor, tour, toy, go, back, cup, art, unto, air, shy, wow, pay, bite, to, day, change, July, kick, get, food, victory, thought, those, sat, zebra, she, vision, my, north, helping, happy, late, rat, wet, yesterday. In conclusion, we can say that in order to have a good pronunciation, we need to be aware of every sound a word has and pronounce those sounds as clearly as it is possible. Answer the following questions according to the reading. 1. What are words made of? 2. How many sounds may a word have? 3. What are the types of sounds that a word may have? 4. How many sounds does the word pen have? 5. Does every letter in a word represent a sound? 6. Are some sounds the combination of some other sounds? 7. According to the reading, what sounds are shared by both languages? 8. Does the sound th exist in Spanish? 9. Does the sound ñ exist in English? 10. Does the sound ñ exist in Spanish? 11. What other sound or sounds do not exist in Spanish? 12. What do we have to do if we want to improve our pronunciation? 13. What do we need to be aware of? 14. Is the sound U a consonant sound?